You are all welcome to this video. In the previous video, we learned to find the area of a general quadrilateral. Today in this video, we will learn to find the area of a rhombus. Kamlesh works in a rhombus glass making factory. He wants to paint pink color behind the glass. If the lengths of the diagonals of the glass are D1 and D2, can you tell him how much area of the glass will have to be painted? Kamlesh joined point C with A and point B with D and called its intersection point as O, from which the diagonals AC and BD are passing through. So do you know the properties of diagonals of rhombus? Perfect. Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other perpendicularly. Let us write something like this. AC is perpendicular to BD, so AO is equal to CO and BO and DO are equal. In the question, it is stated that the lengths of AC and BD are D1 and D2 respectively. In this case, Kamlesh will paint on the same part of the glass as the area of the glass, but Kamlesh does not know the formula to find the area of the rhombus. As we know that rhombus ABCD is made up of four congruent triangles AOB, COB, AOD and COD. Therefore, the area of the rhombus ABCD is equal to the sum of the area of the triangles AOB, COB, COD and AOD. Since these four triangles are congruent, the area of the triangles AOB, COB, COD and AOD will be equal. The area of the rhombus ABCD is the product of 4 and the area of triangle AOB. The formula of the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 times the base times the height. Let us now find the area of triangle AOB. The base of triangle AOB is AO and height BO. Thus, the area of triangle AOB is half the length of AO times the length of BO. Now the question is how to write the length of AO and BO in terms of D1 and D2. As we know that AO and CO are of equal length and AO plus CO is diagonal AC, that is D1. Hence, the length of AO will be D1 over 2. Similarly, the length of BO will be half the length of BD, that is D2 over 2. Substituting the value of AO and BO into the formula of the area of triangle AOB, the area of triangle AOB is D1 times D2 over 8. So now, can you find the area of rhombus ABCD? As we have read, the area of ABCD is 4 times the area of AOB. Using the area of triangle AOB, thus The area of a rhombus is half the product of its diagonals. Kamlesh will paint on the same part of the glass as the area of the glass. Today in this video, we learned to find the area of rhombus. In the next video, we will see an example based on this. Welcome all of you to this video. In the previous video, we learned to find the area of rhombus. Today we will see an example based on the area of rhombus. Sohan has a sweet shop. While making barfi, he thinks of making barfi where the diagonals of each barfi are 4 cm and 2.5 cm. He wants to put silver foil on all the barfis, which cost 1500 rupees a square meter. If there are 50 barfi in a box, can you tell Sohan how much the total cost of taking the silver foil will be? As you can see that the upper part of each barfi will be silver foil. So, in this case, the area of the upper part of all barfi has to be found. Barfi is a rhombus, and we all have studied in the previous video that the area of a rhombus is half the product of the diagonals. The diagonals of each barfi are 4 cm and 2.5 cm. So let us find the area of a barfi, which is 1 by 2 times 4 cm times 2.5 cm. That is 5 square centimeters. Now, can you tell how to find the area of 50 barfi? Well done. The area of each barfi will have to be multiplied by the total number of barfi for the area of all barfi. As we know, there are a total of 50 barfi and the area of each barfi is 5 square centimeters. Therefore, the area of all barfi is 50 times 5 square centimeters, that is 250 square centimeters. The cost of applying the silver foil is 1500 rupees per square meter. So let's convert the total area of barfi, that is 250 square centimeter, to square meters. As we know, a meter has 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 square meter will contain 10,000 square centimeter. Therefore, the cost of 10,000 square centimeter silver foil is 1500 rupees. So, the value of 1 square centimeter would be 1500 divided by 10,000, which is 15 paise. Now, can you use this information to tell us how you will get the cost of 250 square centimeters of silver foil? The cost of 250 square centimeter silver foil will be 15 paise by 250, which is 37 rupees 50 paise. Therefore, the cost of buying the silver foil for all the barfi is 37 rupees 50 paise. Today in this video, we understood the example based on the area of rhombus. Welcome all of you to this video. By now, we have come to know about the area of rhombus. Today we will see an example based on the area of rhombus. The perimeter of ABCD is 40 centimeters. If the length of a diagonal is 12 centimeters, can you tell the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? But in this question, length of only one diagonal AC is given. Now the question is how to find the length of the second diagonal BD. In this case, you can take help of the properties of diagonals of rhombus. In the rhombus, diagonals AC and BD perpendicularly bisect each other. AC is perpendicular to BD and AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Can you find the length of AO? Well done. AO will be the half of the diagonal AC, that is 6 centimeter. Now, can you tell the value of the side using the perimeter of rhombus? Since all the sides of the rhombus are of equal measure, the measure of the side of rhombus will be equal to 1/4 of the perimeter of the rhombus, which is 10 centimeters. To find area, the value of diagonal BD is required. But how will this happen? BD is double of BO. So, if we somehow find the value of BO, we can find the value of BD. Now, can you tell how to find the value of BO? As we can see that the lengths of AO and AB in triangle AOB are known, and the value of angle AOB is 90 degrees. Hence, Pythagoras' theorem can be used in triangle AOB. Solve the equation by substituting the values of AO and AB. We get the value of BO as 8 centimeters. BD is double of BO. When the value of OB is 8 centimeter, the length of the diagonal BD is 16 centimeters. Let us now find the area of rhombus. As we have read that the area of rhombus is half the product of the length of the diagonals. Substituting the values of AC and BD, the area of rhombus is 1/2 times 12 centimeter times 16 centimeter. Thus, the area of rhombus is 96 square centimeter. Today in this video, we understood the example based on the area of rhombus.